Hi, today I've heard of me Google Pixel Fold, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should open the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice match to enable Hey Google option. Once again, voice match. You will see here Hey Google switcher. Just click on the switcher, and after that just wait a couple of seconds. Okay, maybe something wrong with the internet connection. Okay, Wi-Fi connected. So let's go back. Now just tap to more I agree. Next. And you'll see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled. So just to turn it on or turn it off, you should click on the switcher. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.